Welcome, artists of all ages. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. It's Miss Fortner here. In this video, we are going to make this beautiful snowy window scene. So there are lots of materials with this one. We're gonna need quite a bit of things to make this, but it's really easy to do and it's so pretty. It looks like there's a blizzard outside. Okay, enjoy. To make this beautiful blizzard snowy window scene, these are the materials that you're going to need. I'm the Teach with Color. Thanks for learning with color.